Orlando Pirates head coach Abdisalam Wadu has thrown down the gauntlet in the Betway Premiership title race, vowing his side will fight until the last second after a crucial victory over Stellenbosch. The Buccaneers edged closer to the summit with a hard-earned 2-0 win at Atlant Stadium on Tuesday night, cutting the gap to the leaders Mamelodi Sundowns to just 2 points with 3 matches remaining. First half strikes from Evidence Mahupa and Patrick Masangwanyi proved decisive in a high-intensity encounter as Pirates delivered a composed and clinical display under pressure. Speaking after the match, Wado praised his players' resilience and tactical discipline, particularly against a well-drilled Stellenbosch outfit led by veteran coach Gavin Hunt, and said, "We had the game we expected. It's never easy playing against a team coached by Gavin Hunt. We started exactly how we wanted, organized and with high intensity. We knew we had to match them in the duels and deal with the direct balls." Pirates made their mark early, capitalizing on set-piece efficiency in the first half before adjusting tactically after the break to manage the game.